Hey, it's Ben here. In this video, I'm going to be doing a pro and con review of a new app coming out called Flexy. What this does, this is a page builder app which some affiliates and other marketers are claiming can build pages with artificial intelligence and can do machine learning. Now, I dove into this and checked out what it was about. Now, it doesn't really have real artificial intelligence in it or anything like that, but it does have a nifty voice command feature, which is going to allow you to build pages just by saying voice commands, which could potentially help you build pages a lot faster. And by pages, I mean things like opt-in pages, video sales pages, any type of like landing page or lead page, so to speak. You can create with this from a number of templates, and then use this like voice command feature to speak to the app, and then create it as you're speaking. So I'm going to go ahead and just do a demonstration here so you see what I'm talking about. What you can do here is configure it, and you can have it go into automatic mode or manual mode. And then to activate this speaking feature, you can click this button here, and you can say, hello Flexy. Hello Flexy.
Over here.
All right, so then it spoke back, so now it's activated. And then we can do all these different commands over here. We can say things like create a new sales page. You can say create sales, for example, and it will open up a template with a sales page for us to begin editing. So we'll just create the sales page here in our page home section. So let me just do that next. Create sales.
Please wait while your project is being created.
All right, so now it's going to create a sales page here for us, and then we can use this next command, Flexy Live Edit, to open up the editor. Flexy Live Edit. And then you can also say the actual page number as well, so it can open up the specific page you want it to. Okay, so now what it did is it opened up the editor. I still really haven't clicked anything too much. And then again in the editor, you can use all these different voice commands. So if we go over here, it's going to give us our menu option of all the different things we can say as we're creating this page. So you can say, you can change the voice too. If you don't like the English voice, there's actually ways to change that to the one that you like. But you can say things like undo, redo, delete a section. You can click something and say clone, and then it will clone it. You can do things like this, where you can change the background. So you click on the background, and then you can say something like make background red.
Sure, I can do that.
All right, so then I made the background red. You can do things like change text color. So I'm going to click on this. Make text white.
Sure, I can do that.
All right, so then the text is white. Now you can go through and use these voice commands here, or you can just drag and drop it normally. It's like a normal drag and drop page editor. You can add things like different components or sections of different things, and then you can drag elements into them. Elements like buttons, text, images. You can go to images here, click on it, click this edit image here, and then you can have a full image editor inside the software. Now we can also go down here to where it shows body settings. You can choose the background position. You can choose what font, the color of the font for the whole body. You can edit the code if you want. If you want to place like your Facebook tracking code. Now that's something I saw a lot of page builders come out miss, that you couldn't really edit the actual code of it. So that's very important. You of course can change the video. And there's a number of other things that you can do to kind of drag and edit this around. You can't change it too much without spending a lot of time, but you can quickly click stuff, delete it, and then move it around to change this template to whatever you like. Now also, in addition to this template creator, you can also add a chat option where people can submit chat messages and you can reply. And you can also go to, I'm going to go back to the main dashboard here. You can go to configure, and what this is going to let you do is select animation characters that pop up and read a script at the bottom of the video. So if you ever saw my review for the Video Pal software, well, this lets you do exactly what the Video Pal already does, where you can choose an animated character. So here's our characters over here. You pick one like that, Go ahead and add a title, the position where you want it to be, bottom left, center right, the speech that you want them to read. If you want to integrate it with the live chat as well, if you want to integrate it with other pages. And then what it will do is whenever this page loads, your chat character will pop up over here and then read a script saying, hey, welcome to our affiliate page, or hey, make sure you don't leave without downloading this free gift. Similar to what the video pal did, only in this case it's more, I guess, human-like animation characters instead of the cartoons. Then what you can do is, if you don't want to use this animation wizard or the voice-to-speech wizard, you can always just go back. Let me go back to the main dashboard here. You can always just go to templates and then pick out the template that you like. Here's the different kinds that it's going to give you. And then go ahead and just edit it manually without the voice recognition or anything like that. It's just to create different opt-in pages or landing pages. And also what you can do is you can create groups of pages to send traffic to and rotate them. You can make the pages smart, which makes the page translatable into, I think, 5 different types of languages, like Chinese, and basically the Spanish was one, like the biggest ones that people speak mostly. And you can add team members to your Flexy account on the front end that they can go in and edit it and leave any comments or notes that they've worked on. So that could be potentially helpful as well. So overall, my thoughts are, some of the templates, they're decent to get the job done. They're not really as good as something like lead pages or ClickFunnels, though. Not really at that high of caliber. And also the page editing, it took a little bit. It will take a little while to get used to. It wasn't quite as easy as like ClickFunnels. But then again, ClickFunnels, that's like a $97 per month software. This one you can get for lifetime access for one price. As far as like the characters, I kind of like the cartoons better, like the video pal did. Sometimes, depending on what character you chose, it could be a little bit on the creepy side because it kind of appears like almost real, only as an animation. But then again, it's definitely going to kind of get attention and get people at least looking at it and listening to it if you want to integrate that. And this is the only one I know of that can create the pages as you're talking, which is something that always saves time. And the more time you can save in your business, obviously, the more you can get done and the more you can be productive. Now, if you want to learn more about Flexy, there's some additional things and features that I might have missed. There's also a training academy. There's a little bit of a weird introduction, as you'll see, but there are definitely at least training videos you can see over here, so you can learn how to use the software. It's not just you're going to get access to it and not know how to set up the voice stuff or anything like that. And if you want to learn more about it, then go ahead and check out the sales page whenever it's going live. You can get it for a lifetime access. You can be able to host your pages that you create on the Flexy server, or you can download them and host them on your own site. And have full control of them over that way as well. I forgot to mention that. And then if it's right for you, after checking it out, then you can get it for the discount through my link and also all the bonuses below that you'll get as well. So it's launching 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the early bird discount and lifetime access to this first version of it. And then if it's something that looks helpful, learn more about it and then get it if it looks like it might help your business. So thanks for watching this review, and I'll see you next time.